tired of spending endless hours editing videos? What if I told you there's a smarter, faster way to create stunning content? Today, we dive in deep into the world of video creation tools that are about to become your new best friend. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools will revolutionize your workflow, save you time, and unlock creative possibilities you never thought possible. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete toolkit to produce professional quality videos with a fraction of the effort. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the big picture. Text-to-video generation. Imagine typing a simple prompt, like a golden retriever playing in a field of sunflowers at sunset, and watching an AI bring that exact scene to life in seconds. Tools like Sora, Luma, AI, and Kling are leading this charge. While some are still in early access, they're showing us a future where your imagination is the only limit. You can generate entire scenes, create unique B-roll, or even visualize complex ideas without ever picking up a camera. It's perfect for marketers who need quick ad creatives, educators explaining difficult concepts, or storytellers who want to prototype their vision instantly. Now, let's get practical with tools you can use today. One of the biggest names in the game is Runway. It's not just a text-to-video generator, it's a full suite of over 30 AI magic tools. You can remove backgrounds from videos with a single click. No more tedious rotoscoping. You can use their in-painting feature to magically erase unwanted objects from your shots. Ever wished you could extend the frame of your video? Runway's infinite image lets you do just that. It's like having a Hollywood visual effects team right in your browser. This is an absolute game changer for cleaning up footage and adding that professional polish. Next, let's talk about Pika. Pika started as a fun text-to-video tool but has evolved into something much more powerful. You can upload an image and animate it, bring in still photos to life. You can also modify existing videos, change a character's clothing, alter the environment, or add dynamic element. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it a great starting point if you're new to AI video. The creative applications are endless. Think about animating your company logo, creating dynamic social media posts from static images, or adding a touch of magic to your personal vlog. But what if you already have your footage and just need help with the editing process? That's where AI video editors come in. Take Descript, for example. Descript transcribes your video, and then you can edit the video simply by editing the text. Want to cut out a sentence? Just delete the words in the transcript, and the corresponding video clip is gone. It's that simple. It also has an incredible studio sound feature that removes background noise and enhances your voice, making it sound like you recorded in a professional studio. And its overdub feature lets you clone your voice to correct mistakes without This saves an insane amount of time, especially for content creators who do a lot of talking head videos, podcasts, or tutorials. Another powerful AI editor is Clip. This tool is a dream come true for anyone looking to repurpose long-form content. You upload a long video like a podcast, a webinar, or a keynote speech, and its AI analyzes it, identifies the most engaging and viral-worthy moments, and automatically recuts them into short vertical clips, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It even adds dynamic captions, reformats the video, and gives each clip a virality score. Instead of spending hours searching for highlights and re-editing, you can generate a dozen short clips in minutes. It's the ultimate content multiplication machine. Let's not forget about generating scripts and voiceovers. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you brainstorm video ideas, write entire scripts, and even suggest shot lists. Stuck on what to say? Just give the AI your topic and target audience, and it'll generate a compelling script for you. Then, you can take that script over to an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Murph AI. These platforms offer incredibly realistic, human-sounding voices in multiple languages and accents. You can adjust the tone, pitch, and speed to match your video's mood perfectly. This is a fantastic solution if you're not comfortable using your own voice or if you need to produce content in different languages quickly. So, let's piece this all together. How does an AI-powered workflow actually look? You could start by generating a script with ChatGPT, then use 11 Labs to create a professional voiceover. Next, head over to Runway or Pika to generate custom visuals and B-roll that match your script. After that, bring all your assets into an editor like the script. You can easily sync your voiceover, edit the video by trimming the text, and clean up your audio with Studio Sound. Finally, once your main video is done, you can upload it to Opus Clip to generate a batch of social media shorts to promote it. This entire process, which used to take days or even weeks, can now be done in just a few hours. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Is AI going to replace video creators? The answer is no. Think of these tools not as replacements, but as powerful assistants. They handle the tedious, time-consuming tasks, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters: your creativity, your story, and your unique perspective. I can't replicate your personal brand, your connection with your audience, or your artistic vision. It's a tool, just like a camera or editing software. The real magic happens when you combine your human creativity with the speed and efficiency of artificial intelligence. The key is to experiment. Most of these tools offer free trials or freemium plans, so you can dive in and start playing around without any commitment. Try generating a few clips, editing a short video, or creating a voiceover. See which tools fit your style and workflow best. The landscape of AI is changing incredibly fast, with new features and tools appearing almost every week. By starting to learn and integrate them now, you're not just improving your current workflow, you're future-proofing your skills as a content creator. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the AI tools that are transforming video creation. From generating entire scenes from text to editing videos like a document and repurposing content automatically, the future of video production is here, and it's more accessible than ever. I encourage you to pick one tool we discussed today and give it a try. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about, or if you have any other favorite AI tools that I missed. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. into the future of content creation. See you in the next one.